Today I show you how to enable the swipe right or swipe from left to right or swipe left function. To enable the function that shows you the articles when you swipe right, swipe from left to right on your Google Pixel home screen, on the Android home screen. And this is Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, but this works on most Android phones the same way. If you want to enable the swipe right to show the Google app on the home screen of your Google Pixel Android phone, you simply have to long press in an empty area of the home screen and then go to Home Settings, and under Home Settings look for Swipe to access Google app from home screen, swipe right to open Google app. And now this is enabled, and when I swipe it shows me the Google app. Now when I swipe it shows me the Google app, and you can easily swipe back to the home screen if you want to see some information here and the articles. You can turn off the articles. This is called Google Discover, and you can still have the Google app without the articles, without Google Discover. This is how to get back the articles on the left side of your home screen. When you swipe left or swipe right, you swipe from left to right to see the Google app. Thanks for watching.